Hello, sweetie. Hello. It's going to rain, guys. You gonna go in your house? Maybe. I'm gonna go get Soju. Can you feel the wind? Yeah. Maybe you should go in before it rains.
Live with me? No. No way. I don't live with you. No, you don't live with me. But you're my friend. Yeah. It is all wrong. This is mine.
It's a very furry, very fat squirrel. I wonder if it's a mama squirrel. Or maybe it's going to have some babies.
Yeah.
That's why it's eating so much. I don't mind sharing a little bit with the squirrels, but I don't want to take everything.
No.
There we go. Looking for seeds. Drinking the water out of the tin. Oh, now it's rubbing its body all over the... There's plenty of food down there I left you, squirrel. I don't get it. Nice warm porridge, huh? On a cold, snowy day. What are you guys doing? Look at, I think that's Buffy. She's on top of the branches. Yeah, funny. Hello. Hello, Nugget. Hello, Nugget. Hello. Hello, my sweetie. There's the girls. You gonna see where they're going? It's snowing out, guys. Doesn't seem to be bothering you. Hello. Hey, Buff. Hey, Puppy. Hello, sweetie. Hello. How are you feeling today? Good?
Oh, no, the
Yeah? This one's Buffy.
No,
Nugget's there, yes. That's Nugget, and that's Buffy and Molly. They're chicking around. It's snowing outside, but they don't seem to be bothered. They're not getting wet. Uh-huh. Look, 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 look. Hello, beautiful. Hello, Nugget.
Hey,
Beautiful boy. Hello. That's it, we said. And maybe if he likes us, I don't know if he wants us to. Oh, Soju, you want to play, huh? Oh, he just wants attention. There we go. She just wants attention. We're talking to Nugget and Molly and Buffy, and she wants attention. Soju, here you go, Soju. Here we go, Soju, Soju, here. Here we go, Soju. Boop. There we go. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Be careful. Yeah. You could throw it for her. Throw it to her. Go on. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. No. Sweetie. I don't want you to go near her face because we have to just respect her. So we use, I'll get the ball. There we go. And you could throw it to her. Okay? She's a good girl, but I like to be careful. There we go. You want to throw it again? There we go. She. Somebody's looking maybe for Molly. go? We can go anyway. You want to follow them? And you want to go see them? I know. You want to see the dog. Well, the dog's not coming in. Your chickies are safe. Hey? Good girl.